What is an element shard and how is it obtained?
Hello, and welcome to another exciting video. Today we're going to unravel the mysteries of element shards. We'll discuss what they are and explore the methods for obtaining them. This unique subject is often cloaked in a veil of ambiguity, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of it.
What are element shards?
Element shards are a special type of material or resource found in various video games, tabletop games, or other forms of interactive media. The specifics can vary widely depending on the context, but generally, they represent a piece of a larger, more powerful entity, like an elemental force or power. Element shards are typically used to unlock abilities, craft unique items, upgrade equipment, or as a form of in-game currency.
How can element shards be obtained?
Obtaining element shards can be as varied and rich as the games they are found in. Here are some common ways that these shards might be obtained. 1. Looting. Shards could be found in chests, dropped by enemies, or hidden throughout the game world. 2. Quest rewards. Completing specific missions or quests often rewards players with element shards. 3. Crafting. In some games, you can craft element shards by gathering and combining other resources. 4. Trading or purchasing. Some games allow players to trade with other players or buy shards from in-game stores. Remember, the method of obtaining shards greatly depends on the specific game or context in which they exist. And there you have it. The enigmatic element shards are no longer a mystery. We've talked about what they are and how they can be obtained in most cases. It's always important to remember the specifics of these shards will depend on the game or media you are interacting with. We hope this video has been enlightening and will aid you in your gaming adventures. Until next time, happy gaming!